In this video, I will show you how to change a folder icon to an image on Mac. To do this, just first go to the folder right here on the home screen, and then what you want to do is right click on it and click on Get Info. Now from here, click on the folder icon in the top left so that it has the blue bar around it. And now what you will need to do is copy the image that you want to change it to. If you have it saved to your Mac, then just open up your Finder and then go and double click on the image you want to change it to. So for example, this one, right click on the image and click copy image and then close it. Now, if you want to take it from the internet, then what you can do is just search for the image and also go and copy the image. So as long as you have the image that you want to change it to copied, then again, go and click right there and then click Command V. And then once you've done that, you can see that now the image has been changed. Now you can close this. You can now see that this image is my new folder icon. Now what's important to know is that you can only change a folder icon once to a different image. So if you change it, you cannot change it to a different image after that. You can, however, create a new folder and then add all the files to that folder. So that's how to change a folder icon to an image on Mac. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.